How to transfer Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper, step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. To start, you'll first need to launch your Bitget app. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Assets tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. By default, you'll land on the Overview page, but for this transfer, you need to select the Sport tab at the top. Now, you should see an option to withdraw. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, use the search bar at the top to search for Ton. Once you find Toncoin, select it. You will see two options. Select the first one that says On-Chain Withdrawal. After doing this, a form will appear in front of you asking for the withdrawal address. Now, let's get your withdrawal address. Switch over to your Tonkeeper wallet and tap on the Receive button at the top. Here, you will see your deposit address. Simply copy this address. Head back to Bitget and paste the address you just copied into the appropriate section. In the next step, you'll be asked for the address tag. Please note that entering this incorrectly may result in a loss of your assets. To find your address tag, return to your Tonkeeper wallet. It should be visible on the same page where you found the deposit address. Copy it and paste it into the designated field in Bitget. Now you will notice that it is not there because Tonkeeper has no tag or memo, so for address tag, just type none. Now, in the withdrawal amount section, enter the amount of Toncoin you wish to transfer. Once you've done that, tap on the Withdraw button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, simply confirm and initiate your transaction. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.